Hello friends! Are you ready for another amazing alphabet adventure? I'm so excited you're here. Today, we're going to explore the very special letters. Can you guess which ones? They come right after T. That's right, it's U and V. Let's get started with our fantastic letter journey. Our first stop is the letter U. Look at this. It's shaped like a big smile or a cup. Can you trace the letter U in the air with your finger? Go up, curve around, and go back up. Great job! U is for so many wonderful things. When it's raining outside, what do you use to stay dry? You got it, an umbrella. U is for umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Can you say umbrella? Fantastic! The umbrella keeps the rain away, so we can still go out and play. Splash, splash, splash. The letter U also makes a sound like a. Let's say it together. Think of the word up. When you jump, you go up. When you wake up in the morning, the sun is up in the sky. U is also for under. Can you hide under a table? The letter U is everywhere. It's a very useful letter. Now, let's move on to our next letter. After U comes V. Look at the letter V. It has two straight lines that meet at a sharp point at the bottom. It looks like a triangle without the top part. Let's draw a V in the air. Start at the top, go down to a point, and then back up to the top. V, you did it. So, what starts with the letter V? How about something that makes beautiful, sweet music? It's a violin. V is for violin. A violin has strings, and when you move a bow across them, it sings a lovely song. Have you ever heard a violin play? It's so magical. Can you say violin? Violin. Excellent. The letter V makes a V sound. Put your top teeth on your bottom lip and make a buzzing sound, like a little motor. V, 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 V. That's the sound V makes. It's in words like van, the big car that families ride in, and volcano, the giant mountain that can erupt with hot lava. V is for very, very fun words. Wow, we've learned so much today. Let's review our two new friends. First, we have the letter U for umbrella that keeps us dry. And then we have the letter V for the beautiful, musical violin. U for umbrella and V for violin. Can you say them one more time with me? U, umbrella, V, violin. You are all such alphabet superstars. Thanks for joining me on this amazing letter adventure. I had so much fun with you. Keep practicing your letters, and I can't wait to see you next time for more learning and fun. Remember to subscribe for more alphabet journeys. Bye for now.